I'm a little stressed because I'm not gonna be able to get everything done today. It's just not realistic. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a productive day of my life. It is my one day off, so I'm going to try to get everything done that needs to get done. So as you guys can see, this is very sloppy. But I need to record a main channel video. Hi, how you doing? You guys are probably like, you're recording a podcast every time you make a video, but yeah, I have to do it every week. Reminder to text someone. I need to clean up my purse because it's bad. It's bad. And then laundry. I have my load of laundry in right now, and then I have to do my towels, which is always fun. My sister's wanting me to come over and have dinner with her, and I always have this internal battle of like choosing to like spend time with family, and then it's like, no, I have all this stuff I need to get done. I haven't even started editing yet. I'm like, this is my internal battle right now, and I overdid things. I should have woke up earlier and got things done. This is my inner dialogue when these things happen. But really, you just have to give yourself grace. I just want to be real with y'all because I know on social media everything looks so like perfect and everything, and a lot of these videos are very much like just getting shit done, and like really it's like a span of like 3 days. So So this is a very realistic day in my life because I try to plan everything to get done in one day, and sometimes it's unrealistic, and I have a hard time balancing, you know, work life, family life, all of that stuff. And so, you know, it's hard for me to want to say yes to hanging out with my friends or my family when I have stuff that needs to get done. But I've been trying to like kind of make myself uncomfortable with that and just do it anyways, because that's really all that matters at the end of the day is your family and your friends. And of course, like, you need to make time for getting things done for your career and everything like that. But, you know, sometimes it's like you have to just check yourself and be like, okay, it's okay if this video goes out on Sunday. It's still my once a week goal, you know? So I'm gonna try to still get it out tomorrow, but if not, like, I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. So I just want to share that because I know how much I battle with that in my own head of like just making a huge list of things that you need to get done, and then you have one day to do it, and you just make yourself feel like you have to do it all, and like don't give yourself any grace to just relax on your day off, because I never like give myself time to just do nothing. Like, that's my biggest downfall. I feel like I only allow myself to like watch YouTube videos or listen to podcasts when I'm doing something else. Like, I never really allow myself to just be. So I think that's really important to try to do, and try to make time for your loved ones and stuff. If you are someone that feels like, you know, you just have to do, and there's never, it just never seems like it ends, you know? That's a nice tip for yourself too, is just to have things laid out and ready to go. I have my makeup brushes set up for when I get back, so when I get back I can just get them done. We'll be okay, you know? Just try to have fun. You have to make time for the fun things in life. Alright guys, so it's 9 o'clock and I ended up being at my sister's for 2 hours, but I actually came home, I knocked out my makeup brushes, I folded the first load of my laundry because thankfully my parents did help me out with that. The other load is in the dryer right now, and I did edit the podcast clips that I wanted to get up from the last episode, so that's great. I just didn't get to edit this video, so if you don't see it on Friday, you will see this video on Monday. Yes, there's some things around the house I didn't get done, like, you know, washing my bed sheets and getting rid of all those clothes I don't know what to do with yet. And I still kind of need to clean up the bathroom, but I've been trying to stay on top of it so it's not as bad. Same thing with my makeup brushes. I have been trying to wash them more frequently to help with my acne and help keep it clear. And it didn't take me as long because there wasn't as many to do this time. I still have a lot of clean ones that I didn't use, so yeah, this was a very realistic, productive day of my life because I do get stressed out. I do think like, oh my God, I'm not gonna get this done. Like, what am I doing? Like, I'm over planning, and you try to do everything in one day and it's just not realistic. I think the most important takeaway of all of this is to make time for your family and your friends and to have fun. You know, I took 2 hours out and I really was stressing about it because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna get things done. But I came home, got my stuff done, and now I'm gonna go watch an episode of The Ultimatum. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you guys may struggle with when it comes to trying to get everything done, or what you're looking forward to for the fall season. But anyways, if you guys have any video suggestions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.